As a California personal injury lawyer, I get asked about the topic of minors compromise all the time. A minor, a child under the age of 18, can only enter into an out-of-court settlement of a personal injury claim through a specific legal process, and this process is referred to as a minor's compromise. The process exists because of two facts. One, legally, minors lack the ability to enter into contracts. And two, personal injury settlements are contracts that must meet contractual requirements under California law. The minor's compromise is used to help the slight divergence in the law, and it exists to protect the right of the minor child. The process of a minor's compromise helps a child's rights be protected in three main ways. One, a court order that approves of the final settlement amount. Two, a parent or guardian ad litem to petition the court for the order. And three, a hearing so that the judge can ask the minor questions to make sure that he or she understands that the settlement is final. If your child was injured because of another person's negligence or misconduct, then the attorneys here at the Shouse Law Group can help your family to get compensation for medical expenses, for loss of income, for loss of consortium, for the cost of rehabilitation and physical therapy, and for pain and suffering. We invite you to call us 24 hours a day here at the Shouse Law Group. We've helped many families and many children recover this sort of compensation.